Toyota warranty coverage. A comprehensive guide. Toyota vehicles consistently rank among the most reliable cars on the market, a reputation that extends to their warranty coverage. While not the longest in the industry, Toyota's factory warranties provide substantial protection against defects and unexpected repairs. This guide breaks down everything you need to know about your new Toyota's warranty, from basic coverage to extended options and additional benefits. Core warranty protection. Toyota's standard new vehicle warranty covers defects in materials or workmanship for 3 years or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. This bumper-to-bumper warranty protects most components, excluding wear and tear items like brake pads or fluids. More critical systems are covered for longer. The powertrain, engine, transmission, etc., is protected for 5 years or 60,000 miles. Additionally, Toyota offers a 5-year unlimited mile rust perforation warranty and comprehensive emissions coverage compliant with California or federal standards. Why this matters? Warranties provide financial peace of mind, shielding owners from costly repairs. With modern cars becoming increasingly complex, these protections are more valuable than ever. Hybrid vehicle coverage. Extended peace of mind. Hybrid models receive even more robust warranty protection. Beyond the standard coverage, Toyota offers a hybrid system component warranty for 8 years or 100,000 miles. This covers key electric drive components, including the battery control module and inverter. Critically, Toyota now provides a 10-year 15,000 warranty on the hybrid battery itself for 2020-plus models, up from a previous 8-year 10,000 term. Why this matters? Hybrid batteries are expensive to replace. This extended coverage directly addresses a major concern for hybrid buyers, ensuring long-term reliability and reducing potential ownership costs. Extending your protection. Vehicle service agreements, VSAs, for those seeking longer-term coverage, Toyota offers optional vehicle service agreements, VSAs. These extend protection beyond the factory warranty, with 3 tiers. Powertrain protection covers essential engine and transmission components for up to 6 years 100,000 miles. Gold protection expands coverage to include electrical components for up to 8 years 125,000 miles. Platinum protection, the most comprehensive option, covering almost all mechanical and electrical components for up to 10 years 125,000 miles. Each VSA plan includes towing reimbursement and roadside assistance. Additional benefits. Toyota Care and Accessories warranty. All new Toyotas come with Toyota Care, a no-cost maintenance plan covering factory-scheduled services for 2 years or 25,000 miles. Mirai receives 3 years 35,000 miles. This includes oil changes, tire rotations, and inspections. Toyota also offers Toyota Care Plus for extended maintenance coverage. Accessories purchased with the vehicle are covered by a 3-year 36,000 warranty, while aftermarket accessories have a 12-month warranty. Important exclusions. Toyota's warranties do not cover wear and tear items, cosmetic damage, or modifications. Coverage is also subject to terms and conditions, so always consult your warranty and maintenance guide for full details. In conclusion, Toyota's warranty program balances comprehensive protection with reasonable terms, reflecting the brand's reputation for reliability. From standard coverage to optional extensions and maintenance benefits, Toyota ensures owners have peace of mind and financial security throughout their ownership experience.